How to make 2D animation like this.
Hey guys, I'm Stickman.
If you're thinking I don't know animation, I can't draw, then today's video is just for you. Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you step by step in the simplest way possible how this is done. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we only be using 2 free tools. No paid software, no editing skills, no drawing talent needed. Just watch this video till the end and follow along. The first step is creating your character. Open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Type in a simple prompt like this. Generate a simple 2D stickman character image on a plain white background. The arms and legs should be clearly separated from the body in a natural standing pose with a clean and simple design. ChatGPT will generate this image for you. Keep in mind, just having an image isn't enough. Because we need to make it move, we need to animate it, we need to turn it into a living character. So the next step is really important. We're going to convert this image into a video. Pro tip, the simpler and clearer the character's pose, the more accurate and smooth the animation will turn out. A complicated or overlapping design can confuse the AI. Now that your image is ready, let's animate it. Open your browser and go to sketch.metademolab.com. You'll need to sign up here, and it's completely free, no credit card required. Once you sign up, you can create as many animations as you want with no limit. After signing up, click the Upload Photo button and select your ChatGPT image. A Terms of Service page will appear, click Agree. The tool will then ask you to adjust a box around your character, so the AI knows exactly where the character is. After that comes a joint marking step, meaning you'll place points on the character's elbows, knees, and shoulders, just like setting up the joints of a puppet. Take your time with this step. The more accurately you place the joints, the more natural your animation will look. Now for the fun part. Here you'll find all kinds of ready-made animations, walking, jumping, dancing, and funny moves. Just click on whichever animation you like and watch your own character, the one you created, starts walking, dancing, or jumping right in front of you. You can try different animations to find your favorite, and then download it directly. Now the question is, how do people make money from this? People create these characters and post them on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, earning through monetization. Some people create custom animated characters and sell them to clients. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which character you made.